Doggone. Bug flew right in my ear. I mean, kamikaze style. Oh my goodness. Yellow square. Oh. Okay, so we're getting this paved portion. Previously, we've gone this way. So today, we're going this way. We have a split. So I'm gonna go to the right. Make this a true adventure. So the first thing we're gonna do, pick up the trail marker, red triangle. All right, what do we have here? Creekside Trail, Pine Hollow Trail, right here. So, since I'm kind of splitting off to the right today, we'll continue that trend. And now, we're on a yellow square again. Interesting. Wow, look at this. I don't know if you can see it. A nice gorge. It's a deep, craggy gorge. But we're going to keep going this way. Okay. Now we're on the green dot. Ah, look at this. So this sign says green dot this way, yellow square this way. I just came from there. I wonder if they want us to do this. Yeah, let me do this and see if that's our yellow square. Well, what do you know? There's our yellow square. And look what else we got. The Nature Center. So we're coming to the end of Pine Hollow Trail. So, neat little adventure. Just over a mile. So, that's all I'm going to do. That's all I'm going to do for today. I learned a new trail, like a complete trail. So, that was fun. Now on to the next thing. Peace.